Hello, IK here. Welcome to refactoring delete because of soft deleted. Uh, relation, only one relation work in relation database. It is relation one to many. One to many relation means deleted or in on many what depends about one. When we delete one, would be deleted, it is cascade on, would be deleted all many side, what is dependent, what follow that many. One to many, one to many. When we delete article, must be deleted that article there is not exist more, and all orders details what have that article, that row in table must be deleted in table order items. Category, when we delete category, immediately cascade on must be deleted all article in that category. There is no category, there is no article inside that category, because we created that relation. Without it, all structure of our project architecture would be volatile, very volatile. Not it cannot stay that architecture. And but now is question what to do in e-commerce. In e-commerce, we must delete article what is not in use anymore. We must delete category. We rearrange complete flat in SkyDriver. In some market, we remove all furniture in that flat if we change category, if we change article in that flat, new category, new article, etc. And there is no, and same is in database. We must remove article, category, department, must remove what not exist more. Okay, but in the same time, we must have history data, because every analyze is based on history. What we sell yesterday, what we sell last 365 days, what we sell, what is our income, and what is a rang list of orders last year, or 10 years, and last 10 years, or last 50 years, and etc. What if we want take back some article, and if we delete one side, if we delete one article, and after automatically deleted all row in table where is that article is, for example, order items, in table order items, our history, our data, our analytics don't exist. Also, if we deleted user, all what that user buy to us would be deleted. If we deleted category, if we deleted department, if we deleted department, all articles and all category in that department would be deleted. There is no history data. We have not analytic. And how piece to side, cascade on, cascade delete, and need to save all data what we have in our history by soft delete. Soft delete means one columns in a table, article, category, etc., etc. Spoke about table, what is one side, article, category, department, etc. And that fields, here it is, deleted at. That fields, when we push button delete in table uh, delete below some article, would be happen that default state value null would be changed in a date, like you see here, in a date when we push that button. It is date and hour, you see, when that article uh, disappear from our e-commerce. But in the future, if we need back it with that date convert in a null again, or if we need hard deleted, we must have separate button, and hard deleted means deleted on cascading all dependent. Uh, it can be because of some rule. We don't know reason why we in in the future can be must delete it, and in that situation, hard delete always exists. An independent table stay that possibility on cascade. But in table one, we have a field deleted that and the null default. Default when we create one article, automatically that article in field delete at would have null. But if we delete that article, that null would be converted in date when we deleted it. And it is soft delete. Article exists, but not visible. Not visible, not in use. It is only history for history of data for our analytic. Soft deleted, soft deleted. And because of that, we must correct backend delete when order from front end, we push button delete below article, it go to backend in Express, and in backend, we would not be more SQL query delete. No, SQL query will be update. What update? Update deleted at from null to date. Date now, date from our computers. Okay, let's get see that refactoring in for some of this table. Here is delete root for department ID. Department ID, delete. Look at what is here was delete, now is update. Update department set deleted at, it is name of columns, equal now, it is date, where department ID is question mark, and after that question mark in second envelope, we have ID. It is updated. It is same for articles, for orders, for a category for all others, one side of relation, one to many, one side of relation, have now uh, soft deleted. All existing, but not visible and not in use, but existing for and nothing for analytic, for history of data, and nothing deleted. Soft deleted and hard deleted, but soft deleted is in use. Okay, it's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.